Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn standard area of English medium, chapter number 1. In previous lecture, we have to learn about atomic mass and molecular mass. So in lecture, we have to study average atomic mass. Average atomic mass. So in previous lecture we have to calculate so many calculation. In all calculation you remember that 1 AMU is equal to 6.22 into 10 raised to minus 23 grams, and the value of one atom is equal to 1.99 into 10 raised to minus 23 grams. So remember this value. Now average atomic mass. So understand average atomic mass. First, atomic mass. Atomic mass means addition of proton, neutron and electron, all types. Average. So understand, for example, carbon have 3 isotopes, 12, 13 and 14. So C6H12, C6H13 and C6H14. In similar way, boron have also 2 isotopes, B10 and B11. So in general study about periodic table, so Mendeleev periodic table based on atomic mass, but which place carbon atom arranged in Mendeleev periodic table, because carbon have 3 isotopes, 12, 13 and 14. So all have different mass in Mendeleev periodic table based on atomic mass. So after this conclusion solved by modern periodic table on a based on atomic number, so all atomic number will be same. So arrangement of all isotopes will easily arranged in modern periodic table. So isotope using atomic mass. So understand previous lecture atomic mass topic, we use isotope of carbon C12 for measurement of all element mass. So isotope means same atomic number but different atomic mass. Same atomic number and different atomic mass is known as isotopes. Now understand average atomic mass. So the carbon atomic mass as a consider how to find atomic mass of carbon. So first, average atomic mass, it means average mass of all isotope is known as average atomic mass of given element. So understand and remember one equation for find average atomic mass. Average atomic mass of boron is equal to percentage of element multiplied by atomic mass of first isotope plus percentage of element multiplied by atomic mass of second isotope whole divided by 100. Here boron have 2 isotopes, so here 2 atomic mass. For example, carbon have 3 atomic mass isotopes, so addition of 3 numbers. So in so on, how many isotopes contain? So it's contain each isotope. Suppose one element contain 5 isotopes, to continue term as a 5th term, 1 to 5th term. So percentage of element means amount of substance in nature. Suppose a boron has a 1 isotope B10. Boron contain total 2 isotopes. One is B10 and another is B11. Now B10 is a 90% in atmosphere and is a 81% in atmosphere. So here equation is percentage of boron, first isotope is 10 multiplied by atomic mass is 90, 10 into 90, now 81 into 11, plus divided by 100. So final answer is 10 point something. Find value of boron. So in this equation we have to learn and how to find average atomic mass. So by using isotopes of this element and find average atomic mass by using this equation. Now move on, molecular mass. Molecular mass of substance. Molecular mass, it means suppose water. So water contains 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. It means is a sum of all atom present in sum of mass of all atom present in matter or compound. So sum of all mass of atom present in matter or a compound. So find value of H2O. So therefore how many H? Here 2 atoms, so multiply by 2, and atomic mass of hydrogen plus sum, therefore plus oxygen. Oxygen is 1, therefore atomic mass of oxygen. So you remember all most of atomic mass like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. So you remember that atomic mass, then you find molecular mass of compound or element. So the 2 multiplied by 1 and atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16. So the 2 plus 16 is equal to 18 AMU, atomic mass unit, and is also contain 8 gram. So written AMU converted into grams, so easily written as a 18 grams or 18 AMU is a atomic mass, a molecular mass of molecules of H2O. So average atomic mass and molecular mass. After this understanding, new topic is formula mass. Formula mass is a one type of molecular mass is also converted in the formula mass. It means formula mass means molecular mass is known as formula mass. Now formula mass is only applicable for solid compound and ionic compound, not for gaseous and liquid state matter. So formula mass is applicable only solid or ionic compound, and molecular mass is also known as in this type of substance. It means solid and in ionic substance is also known as formula mass. Now one example of ionic compound. Ionic compound like NaCl. It means Na plus and Cl minus. So the molecular mass of NaCl. Molecular mass of NaCl means Na is 23. So molecular atomic mass of Na plus atomic mass of Cl. Therefore molecular mass of NaCl ionic compound contain 23 plus 35.5. So 5 plus 3 8, 3 plus 2 5 is AMU. It means 58.5 grams. Molecular mass. So formula mass of NaCl ionic compound is also 58.5 grams. Now understand arrangement of molecular mass and the arrangement of ionic compound in NaCl. So here is a solid state. So in a property, first lecture introduction part, we have to discuss properties of solid matter, and then we have to draw figure of solid compound like this, two-dimensional arrangement of atom in a solid matter. Now this marker is also solid, so there is a three-dimensional figure we have to say. He is a state. He has a state too. So first we have to see first part, but we cannot see the last part of this marker. So move and cross. So both part will be easily seen. First part, above part, this front part and behind part. So in a cross way, seeing that cross, so the first and second part we clearly seen. But in this arrangement, only seen front part, back part is not seen. This type of arrangement. So understand ionic compound three-dimensional structure of NaCl. We have to draw cross structure of NaCl molecules ionic compound. So first, one particle, another particle is a particles of Na. So arrange this type is a front particle. It means this shape is drawn. Now draw the back side of this arrangement. So the back side of this arrangement, first and second part, so connected them. We have to see one cube figure of NaCl. Arrange this topic. So the cubical structure of NaCl. So arrangement of this type is all are Na particles. NCl is arrangement of Cl with this type of arrangement. So arrange this and connected. So the NCl particles, Na around 6Cl minus, in Na plus around 6Cl minus, and Cl contain also 6 Na plus particle around each other, and this arrangement of NaCl is known as lattice structure. It means step by step layer of Na and Cl around 6 into 1. This means 1 Na around 6 Cl in three dimensional. In similar way here this Na contain 6 Cl around in a three dimensional structure. For here atom of Cl around 6 Na in a three dimensional structure. So this lattice structure and this type of arrangement is known as lattice arrangement, and in formula mass, ionic compound example and solid state we have to applicable this formula mass. Molecular mass is also known as formula mass for this compound like ionic compound and a solid compound. Now next topic is mole concept. We have studied what is definition of mole concept in a different quantity in a physics. So mole means is represented amount of substance. Mole means measure amount of substance. So understand it, how many amount of substance in presence. So we have to remember that 1 AMU is equal to 1.99 into 10 raised to minus 3 grams. We have value and find this value after in previous lecture. 1 AMU is equal to 1.99 into 10 raised to minus 23 grams. So mole concept understand easily how many value of 1 mole. So this mole concept is derived that measure amount of substance, and then after invention and experiment scientists converted into mole means mole converted means 12. It means C12 atom of 12 grams. It means carbon atom of 12 grams. So C12 isotope use, and then how many particles? 1 mole means what? So 3 C12, 12 grams of carbon mass is considered as a mole. But how many mass of this mole? So converted into 1 AMU is equal to 1.99 into 10 raised to 3 grams. So 12 carbon atom means how many moles or how many numbers? So derive that 5 moles is equal to carbon has a 12 atom and weight is 1.99 into 10 raised to 20 minus 23 grams is weight. So question marking here, and 12 grams of C12 atom is how many weight? So 12 into 1 divided by 1.99. So the answer is around 6.22 into 10 raised to 23, and this number is known as Avogadro number. So we have to find value of mole. It means how many particles? 1 mole means Avogadro number. It means 6.022 into 10 raised to 3 number of particles. So after this understand and study, we have to mole concept is clarify that Avogadro number. It means 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number of particle present in 1 mole. But this value is very large, 10 raised to 23 power. It means 10 raised to 23 means 23 0 after 1. It means very large number. So how can you classify and how can you calculate this number of particles? So another experiment take here, and after experiment say statement this Avogadro number, it means number of particle, it means a mass of, it means atomic mass of C12, it means 12 gram. So we have to take 12 grams of carbon, it means 1 mole of carbon, and number of particle is here. So we have to take on value of and these particles how you taken. So first you can take 12 grams of carbon atom, and you take 12 grams of carbon atom, it means you can also say that 1 mole of carbon and also say that 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 numbers of particles. This means relation between moles, atomic molecular mass, mole molecular mass, and Avogadro numbers. So remember and derive this relation. First, mole, it means 1 mole means 12 grams of C atom, it means carbon atom, is also known as how many particles? 6.00 10 raised to 23 numbers of particles. So relation then grams is equal to 1 mole is equal to 6.0 to 20 10 raised to 23 particles. So all are equal. It means you get 12 grams of carbon. Can you also say that 1 mole taken and number of particle in 12 grams is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So mole concept is not applicable for this type of element, but it is also applicable for electron, proton, atoms, ions, all types. Suppose Na plus ion 1 mole means, so the mass, atomic mass of Na plus ion is known as 1 mole of Na. So mole concept is not only for this carbon but apply only negative ion, positive ion, electron, all type of substance. Now how to find mole? Suppose you have to given 24 grams of carbon atom means how many moles? So find number of mole, it means denoted by N is equal to given mass divided by molecular mass. Remember this equation. In you have to given mass, so you can find number of mole. How you find? Remember this equation, given mass divided by molecular mass. And another equation, number of mole is equal to given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. So remember this two equation. This is a mass to mole. It means mass to mole, and another particles to mole. It means you can say that 6.02 into 10 raised to 23 particles means how many moles of carbon. So answer is 6.22 divided by 6.22 into 10 raised to 23. So answer is 1. It means 1 mole of carbon present in these particles. In similar way, here 24 grams means given mass is 24, mass of one carbon atom is equal to 12, so the answer is 2 mole. So 2 mole of carbon presence in 12 grams of 24 grams of carbon, and 2 moles means 602 into 10 raised to 3, it means 12.044 into 10 raised to 23 number of particle presents in 2 moles of carbon. So remember these two equations, given mass divided by molecular mass, then find mass to mole and particles to mole, it means particles divided by Avogadro number. So remember and prepare friends. Thank you.